Question number 20. A wire has the original length L, cross-sectional area A, tensile force F is applied to the wire, which causes it to have an extension X. Wire obeys Hooke's law. What is an expression for Young's modulus? What is Young's modulus? Young's modulus is given by, a little bit space, okay. The Young's modulus is given by force by unit area divided by extension by original length. Okay, if I rearrange these terms, what do I get here? I will write FL divided by XA. I can write like this. Okay, now you see, is there any function, any problem like this, any formula like this? This definitely is not the stress. Stress is F by A into X by L you have. Okay, if I can group this F by A over here, but here it is L by X, so therefore this is incorrect. Now this is F by A into strain. Okay, let us try with this one here. So what will I have here? I will write F by A divided by X by L. X by L will be equal to F by A into, what is X by L? Increase in length by original length. It is nothing but strain. Okay, into strain. So therefore definitely B is the right answer. The rest of them are incorrect. So this is nothing but FL by XA. If you compare, then definitely C is incorrect. Strain by stress is also incorrect. So therefore B is the right answer. Okay.